Hey, Clayton here, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about LitExtensions. If you want to migrate your website into another platform, so all your products, your orders, your customer list, this feature is absolutely amazing. I've actually used it multiple times for clients. I'm actually a registered and authenticated Shopify expert. A lot of people say they're Shopify experts, but I'm actually a registered one. There's hardly any of us. And I've had really good experience with this company. They've really helped myself and my clients out over the years. Last year, we used them a few times. It's the start of 2024 when I'm filming this video. So we used them a few times to migrate the products, the orders, and all that sort of stuff over to Shopify. It was very easy. Their support helped us when we needed their help as well. Just to give you an idea, if you're thinking about doing it yourself, last year, we also migrated over a website with tens of thousands of products that was on a very old platform that no one really uses anymore. It was a small nightmare for us to do it ourselves. So having software like this that does it all for you, their support will help you out and stuff like that, makes life so much easier. Even if you have a website with like 5 products, you might have like hundreds of orders. You want to migrate all those information over. People's contact information is super, super important. So this app makes it really easy. If you click the first link in the description below, you'll come to this page here where you can actually select the platforms. It's got a large number of platforms here too, and that you want to migrate to. So the one you're on, where you want to migrate to, and you can book a demo. You can talk to their chat, and you can come here to the pricing and actually work out roughly what it's going to cost. So let's just say you have 100 products, number of customers, let's say 500, number of orders, let's say 600, and then let's just say no blog posts. Start calculating. It's actually going to give you a figure of exactly how much it's going to cost and everything you get included. So in the basic migration package, you might pay $109 USD, and then in the all-in-one package, you'll pay $249. Now, this is going to depend on how many products, orders, stuff like that you have, but I personally believe this is an amazing deal. Like, what do we put in here? We put number of products 100. That would take quite a long time to do that manually yourself. Number of customers 500. That's a long time too. Orders 600. This is saving so much time. Just to give you an idea, last year, so we used this software a few times last year for our clients. One of our clients we couldn't use this software for. Now, the only reason we couldn't use this software for is because the platform the client was using was on something I'd never heard of in the last 10 years. It was like a really old, outdated platform that a lot of people used to use 10, 15 years ago, and they'd been on it for this whole time. And when we transferred tens of thousands of products over, it was a small nightmare to actually do that. Now, if we could have used an app like this, it would have saved so much time. And this app has so many different options for different platforms and stuff like that you can use. So you most likely will not be in the position that we were in for that one client if you're thinking about using this. If they don't have a platform there, just reach out to their chat as well. They might be able to add it, or they might have a solution and stuff for you. But overall, what I would like to say is thank you to LitExtension for helping and being so supportive, really good support. This is the start of 2024 while I'm filming this, but last year they helped myself and my clients out quite a lot. Normally I wouldn't make this style of video, but I really believe in this company, and I think they are doing amazing things. They've really helped a lot of people make life easier, and I'm all about making life easier with still having really good quality. So if you've used LitExtensions, let me know in the comments. If you've ever migrated from one platform to another, let me know as well. And until next time, have a good one and see you later. Bye.